Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're into fitness, health, or keto like me, you're going to love today's review. I'm diving into the Sports Research MCT Oil made from organic coconut oil. This product is marketed as brain and body fuel, perfect for keto coffee, protein shakes, and anyone on a low-carb or paleo journey. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what makes this MCT oil special. It's 100% made from organic coconut oil and contains two key fatty acids, C8 caprylic acid and C10 capric acid, which are the best types of MCTs for fast energy and mental focus. What I love is that it's non-GMO, vegan, paleo certified, and free from palm oil. That's a big win for sustainability and health-conscious people. You can use this in so many ways. My personal favorite? Adding a tablespoon to my morning coffee for a creamy, energy-boosting keto coffee. It blends beautifully with no weird aftertaste. You can also mix it into protein shakes, drizzle it on salads, or even use it in baking. Now, let's talk taste. Honestly, there's none. It's completely flavorless, which makes it so versatile. The texture is smooth, not too thick, and it doesn't leave an oily residue in drinks or food. If you're someone who's picky about flavors, this is a great option. So why use MCT oil? It's all about quick energy. Your body converts MCTs into ketones, which can boost brain function and energy levels without the sugar crash. Perfect for keto, paleo, or anyone looking for a clean energy source throughout the day. Overall, I'm super impressed with the Sports Research MCT oil. It's high quality, versatile, and delivers on its promise of clean energy for both body and mind. Whether you're on keto or just looking for a healthy boost, this is a must-have in your kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this MCT oil or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and stay energized.